Start. We have audited the attached balance sheet of Bharat Electrical Company Limited as at 31st March 2009, and also the profit and loss account and the cash flow statement for the year ended on that date anxious thereto. These financial statements are the responsibility of the company's management. Our responsibility is to express an opinion on these financial statement based on our audit. Para. We conducted our audit in accordance with the auditing standards generally accepted in India. Those standards require that we plan and perform the audit to obtain responsible assurance about whether the financial statements are free of material misstatements. An audit includes examining assurance on a test basis, evidence supporting the amounts and disclosures in financial statements. In audit also includes assessing the accounting principle used and significant estimates made by the management, as well as evaluating the overall financial statement presentation. We believe that our audit provides a reasonable basis for our opinion. Para. In accordance with the provisions of Section 227 of the Companies Act 1956, we report that we have obtained that the information and explanations which, to the best of our knowledge and belief, were necessary for the purpose of our audit. In our opinion, proper books of accounts as required by law have been kept by the company so far as appears from our examination of the books, and proper returns adequate for the purpose of our audit have been received from the branches not visited by us. Stop.